I'm going to make another floor vase, and if you saw my last video where I did the diamond pattern around the vase, I'm going to do the same thing on this one, but the vase is going to be shaped different. It's going to be more of a gentle slope instead of shaped like the last one, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out that last one. And I probably won't put a lot of details in this video because it's going to be made the same way as the last one. We've got to make up 29 rings and glue them all together, and then we'll turn it down and finish it and see how it turns out. Well, after the mishap, I've got the bottom cleaned up now. I'm going to put a waste block on and glue it back on the other end, and I think I can salvage it that way. Not what you want to see flying off the lathe, something this big. So that's one thing. The other thing I'm going to do, this is my homemade steady rest, and my skate rails are pretty close together. So as you can see, it's not going to do a lot of holding. So what I did, I made me a new piece, and I've got my wheels further apart. So I think that's going to make a big difference on these large diameters. So we're going to turn it around and glue it up, and we'll give it another shot tomorrow and see what happens.